It's one of the secrets, diba? Our tagline is look good effortlessly. And if you see something if you see I'm looking great, kahit na may pinagdaanan, they good.
What are the stuff that you're doing to help you feel better?
Hi, Kyle.
Family. Number one, family. The support system is there. Number two, friends. And number three, me time. You have to have some moments for yourself. Think about stuff that happened, that is happening, and stuff that will happen in the future.
You don't hesitate to say na may pinagdadaanan ka. Is that the way of owning it?
Why would I lie? Totoo naman may nangyayari.
So pag okay na, you're also gonna say you're totally, how's your family? Like it's Father's Day on Sunday. How has your dad helped you cope or move on?
Sinabi na pinagdaanan ko rin yan, anak. Mahirap talaga maging gwapo.
Pero medyo mahaba-haba na, Robin. Ay, matagal-tagal na. Even up to now ba, may pinagdadaanan pa na medyo
It's not
percentage nagiging okay na.
It's not just about, if you're asking me about the breakup, it's not just that thing. So, things are happening in my life. Mapa-work, mapa-personal. Kasi syempre, hindi man mawala ang problema. Problem is there. The problems in life, are there. The thing is, you just have to have a good disposition. And kailangan mo lang ng oras para i-sort out the things.
Pero syempre, iniisip pa rin ng mga tao. Pag sinasabi mo mga pinagdadaanan, yun pa din.
It's up to them. It's up to them.
Anong mga activities ang ginagawa mo, Robin, para ma-deal or hindi mo naisip?
I'm really thankful na may work ako sa US. Yun talaga malaking bagay para mawala yung isip ko. Number two, I play basketball a lot. Number three, I run a lot. And then, I watch K-dramas. Goblin.
Is that your me time? Yung kinakonsider?
Medyo nakakaasar na kasi ang ganda ni Yuntak eh.
Living a very active lifestyle, what's your favorite thing